watch my cooking show. My guest here is going to open it. Say hello to Mom. Yeah, deliciosa. This is cream cheese and these are crackers. And this is a knife so I can get the cream cheese. Don't be afraid, just okay. Now let's grab one cracker. Now let's get some cream cheese. Now I'll start to spread the cream cheese, but don't do it too much, and don't do it by your fingers. Do it carefully. Kids, do this with an adult only, not by yourself. You can only do it if you have your own kid knife that doesn't have sharp claws. So one is done, see? Alright. Let's put it on this plate and put it in a nice circle, just like a Mickey Mouse. Now, let's put the butter knife in back. Then we get to grab another cracker. Then we start to grab more butter. See? It's just like a little ear. The Mickey Mouse body is beside his head. Now for the tail. I know tails aren't ovals. I mean circles, sorry. Here is the tail. Just like a sunflower. Building the sunflower instead. One more cracker for the middle of the sunflower. Now the middle of the sunflower is done. Now just one little piece of left. All done. Now I'm going to take this one. Axolotl. Now let's give it to them. Follow me, please. Now I'm going to take this. Here is your mouth.
Thank you.
Big with mouth.
I think I'm gonna add some salmon.
Sure.
And some capers.
Sure.
And a little sliver of onion. And have me something New York style.
Sure.
And voila! This is Tashi's cooking show corner.
Thank you for watching Tashi's Little Chef Corner. Don't forget to subscribe and like.